Hello, good evening, everybody. Good evening from anywhere you are watching me from. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Happy Sunday to all my fans, all my lovely ones. Happy Sunday. Hello, everyone. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow my page, my group, Nancy CEO. Nancy CEO is my group. My page is Nancy CEO as well. Follow, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nancy CEO. Everything that I'm doing it on this Nancy CEO and my YouTube channel, Nancy CEO. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my page, my group. Hello everybody, hello every Sunday. This is the human, this order is for someone, this is for my clients. The reason I'm showing it here because it came late yesterday, so the lady did not pick the air yesterday from me, so I decided to show it on this my live, on this video that I'm doing, to show those that have not ordered yet, even those that have ordered, so that if they can still order something like this, exactly like this, depend on them. That's why I'm doing this live video right now. Did you see it? This is straight weave-on. It's for my clients, it's for somebody that wants to make use of it. So the order came late yesterday. There was no time for the lady to come and pick it up. See, this order is for someone. This is the closure. This is the closure for the person we use in the front side of it. You can see it. Did you see it? This is the frontal. Very nice frontal. Oh my goodness. It's nice for you to order for yourself. Use it. It's not pulling. This hair is not pulling. This 100% human is original. You can order one for yourself, order for your loved ones if you have the cash. If you have the money, you can order it. Human original human hair. When you are making use of it, you know, yes, this is human hair that you are making use of. It's not fake, it's not pulling. You can see it on my head. It's very nice, even the color, everything. It's very beautiful. Did you see it? Very nice. Did you see it? Very beautiful. See it. This human is very nice. I love it. Even self, I will order one for myself. I'm going to order for myself. This color is very nice. I love it so much. I really love it. You see it? I just want to use this opportunity to show people that don't really know that human business is going on in this my YouTube channel. That is why I even brought this out to show to those that have not known yet. You see it? This is human hair. This is for my clients also, those that order. Some of their order is not ready yet. I know before this weekend we are about to order, their hair will be ready. The human hair will be ready, okay? I know it will be ready. So what I'm trying to do is this. You see this my platform. If you need the order, you can inbox me on Nancy CEO. Just message me, inbox me anytime. I will see your message. Even my contact number, everything is there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to it. If you press the red button, there's a bell there, you can press it. You have already subscribed. Anytime I'm doing video, anytime I upload video, you will see my notification there. You can watch it, see the latest thing that I'm doing there. You see this platform, I'm going to use it to teach a lot of people many things, how to do things. What I know I can do better, what I know I can do most is what I'm going to teach people on this my life, on my video, on my YouTube channel, on my Nancy CEO, anything. How to bake cake, meat pie, egg roll, fried rice, jollof rice. A lot of things is going to take place here. It's nice for you to follow me up. Even how to do this local made soap. This other thing, polish. I will teach you people how to make polish. I will teach you how to make polish. Original polish, you will do it and make it and start using it yourself. There's no need for you to go and order polish. If you do it yourself, add the main ingredients on it, you will see it. How to make polish, I will teach you people. all this local soap I'm going to teach you people on this my live video. Egg roll, fish roll, meat pie, fried rice, jollof rice, different type of things. That is what I'm doing this my YouTube channel. Important things, because a lot of people will still learn from it, which I know. So I said let me do this video to tell my fans I love you all. I love you. I cherish you people. You people make me happy. In fact, the way you people contact me, you take your order, those that are still calling that they will still take their order. In fact, I'm very grateful. I'm glad. I thank everybody. I hope you enjoy your Sunday. How was your day? How did you enjoy it? I said let me just wish everybody that I love you so much. If I did not love my fans, who would I love? What did I gain? I gained nothing. So I love all my fans. I love you all. I love all my fans. I love you all. I said let me just do this short video to tell you people what is going to take place in this my platform. When I'm ready to do fried rice or jollof rice, I'm going to update you people so that you people will know when I'm going to do it, so you can watch me the way I'm doing it. You can still make it for yourself and make for other people as well. Is it egg roll? Is it meat pie? Is it fish roll? Different type of things. I know I can do better. I will teach you people and put you through. Oh, I love una. Happy Sunday, happy Sunday. I hope so I enjoy on Sunday. I hope. When I enjoy myself, time not day. When I enjoy it is well. It is well. I love all my fans. I love una. If I not love una, what I get? If not una, for now who they do this thing again. The one that they patronize me, the one that they call me, they contact me. I want buy both those me want buy. Both those me don't buy already. Me don't receive them. Both those me still say they want buy again. I thank una. I thank una. I love una. I be wanna subscribe to my YouTube channel. Wanna tell those me never still made they subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to subscribe, it's easy, not that difficult. If you press the red button, you'll see. If you see subscribe, press some from there. You go. If you press subscribe, bell go come out. Press that bell. You don't subscribe. Any video I they do anytime, you go they see the notification. You feel they watch and they see all my whole date from there. So anything I they do for there, the one me you want learn, me you want know, you go know and through there. All to cook jollof rice, fried rice, meat pie, egg roll, fish roll, different things go take place for there. So this platform I go use and teach many people how to do many things. The little me I still know I go still teach people through this my live video. No need for you to register. I go teach you. I go teach you very well for this my live video. Make una no worry. I promise you I go teach you now well. I go teach you now. Happy Sunday. I dey very happy. I just dey very happy. I love all my fans. I love una well. I love una. I love una. I love all my fans. I love una. I love you people very well. All my fans, I love you people. So I don't love una. Wait till I again. Order your email. Contact me. My number dey my page. E dey my wall. Check am for my group or for my page. My number dey there. Inbox me, contact me. You can message me at any time. Message me. If I see your message, I will give you feedback. I will reply you. Mona message me. Mona no fear. I no dey deal with anything fake about you, my hair. That make me I dey use this my platform to dey advertise my product. I know wetin I dey say. I no get shake. I no fear. I no get doubting. Mona no that. Na 100% you might know dey pull. You know dey. You know the tango. If na veggie hair una need, more tell me. Any type of hair una need, more tell me. More tell me whether na veggie or whether na the one may not be veggie or more tell me anyone more needs. I tell una there are different type of human hair, but na human hair we dey call them original. The one may not dey poo. Original human hair. Many people don't receive their own, they say, ah, mama, I go order again. Your hair, I really like am. I like am. Mona no worry, mona order, na me tell una.